guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Sips by unboxing to share with you guys. This is the January teas for myself. Like it says, it's made for Ziya. Huh? How cute is that? I'll never get over that. I love seeing these. If you haven't heard about Sips by before, it is a subscription box in which you will get 4 different types of teas. You get at least 15 servings of tea, which is great. It costs, I believe, $15 a month. But if you use my code ZIYA5, you can get $5 off of it. That means you get your first box for only $10. Moving on to what's actually in the box. I'm so excited. The first thing here is called Cookie Tea. I believe I had another one of these in another box, but it was a different flavor. This one is Almond Cookie. So I'm really excited about how this is going to taste. Also, the packaging on teas are just so freaking cute. So here's what this one looks like. It's absolutely adorable. This one is caffeine free and there's 4 servings of this in here. This actually is a loose leaf tea. Ingredients: apple pieces, almonds, cinnamon pieces, flavoring, beetroot, and obviously this contains nuts. Also, I feel like I always forget to mention this, but there is a, a quiz to take at the beginning of your ordering process with Sips by. So you can tell them about your food allergies, the types of tea that you prefer, what flavor profiles you are drawn to, and whether or not you would like to have loose leaf teas. Now, I was pretty much open about most things just so I would have a really nice variety of teas to share with you guys. Also, if you choose to have loose leaf teas, Sips by will send you a little pack of tea bags. The next one I have here is another loose leaf tea. This is a chocolate candy cane tea. Really excited for this. Let's read up on that. This is a high caffeine tea. Chocolate candy cane tea reflects the traditions of the holidays with a delightfully rich combination of smooth black tea, creamy chocolate notes, and a touch of peppermint candy. And this is like in a little Ziploc bag, so I'm gonna pop it open and sniff it. Ooh, it has a little candy. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That is so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. I just have to show you. Look at the, don't fall. There's a tiny little candy cane. Look at the tiny candy cane. Do you see it? Can you see it? Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Look. It's a tiny candy cane. How adorable is that? Is that actually candy? Yeah, that's candy. Oh my gosh. Okay, amazing. And it smells so good. If you've ever tried the Ghirardelli peppermint squares with dark chocolate, this smells exactly like that. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. I can't wait to make this. I know, like, Christmas is over, whatever. The next tea I have here is a blackberry tea. This is from a brand called Tea Chic Shemaya. This is also in a Ziploc, so I'm gonna pop it open because I could pop it closed again. Let's smell it. Oh, that smells so good. That's like so rich and like such a savory, beautiful smell. And like there's even like pieces of dried strawberry in here. It smells like a really high quality tea. Is that weird? I don't know how else to explain it, but it smells amazing. And the last one I have here is this Rooibos and Cinnamon Tea. This is from a brand called Ahmad Tea. I don't know if they pronounce it Ahmad or Ahmad, but in my head it's Ahmad. You know. Anyway, I got 4 of these tea bags. Okay, my camera died and I don't remember what I was saying, but I'm pretty sure I was talking about the Ahmad tea. And this one is a cinnamon and rooibos flavor. It's so cute. Look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. How adorable. I love their packaging so much. One of Ernie's co-workers actually gave us like little goodie bags for Christmas, and they included some of these teas in there, and I was like, that's so exciting because I love this brand. So yeah, anyway, really great. I haven't tried Rooibos Rooibos. I feel like I said that weird. Like people who say robot instead of robot. Anyway, I have tried Rooibos tea from a different brand before, and I really do like it. It's a great tea, especially cold, but I've never tried Rooibos and cinnamon. I think that the cinnamon is going to be like a really great addition to Rooibos tea. Also, when you order from ZiyaScholz and you get your little card here full of the information about all your teas, you also get coupons to use on the teas if you choose to buy more of them. And that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I love ZiyaScholz so much, and they're great people. It's a great company, and I love them. Anyway, that is the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around to see those. Also, don't forget to hit the little notification button, follow all the social media thingies, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Bye.